Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn on and off your vanish mode in Instagram. So vanish mode is a feature provided in the chat of Instagram. So let me show you how to do that. First you need to go to the chat of Instagram. Open Instagram and click on the message looking icon at the top right of your screen. Once you click on the message icon, you want to go into a message. So I'm going to go into my message with Witchy Kevin. Now once you're inside your message, at the bottom you can clearly see it over here where it says turn up to swipe your vanish mode. So you just need to do that. Just make sure to hold on your screen and swipe up like this. And once it turns red over here at the bottom, now your color might be different, but once it fully turns into a color, release it and you will be turning on vanish mode. And just like this, if you want to turn it off, again swipe up. And once the circle completely becomes fully colored in a particular color, whichever color you have chosen, release it and you will turn off vanish mode. So that's how you guys can turn on and off vanish mode. And by turning on vanish mode, whichever thing you just talked with your friends or whatever chat you had, if you turn off your vanish mode, it'll be disappeared. That is basically what vanish mode does. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.